We're up to step 4 of the 6-inch smooth operator build.
This video is part of a series on how to build the 6-inch smooth operator quadcopter.
What we have now is, well, I've had some reconsiderations. You see, I was looking at the ESC and I thought, because of the way these wires come in, it really is best to have them coming in from the top and the bottom and not the sides. It makes the wiring much neater, and still my connector to the flight controller will be just fine. So I had to remap this again to have the motors correct per this orientation. Also, because of this capacitor I have here, I moved the flight controller back one set to make a little bit more room here for the capacitor, and that worked out really well. Now I have a tip for you. I forgot to mention we've got the Falcor micro camera here that we're going to be installing in this, and we're lucky in that the wiring harness for the camera is perfectly long enough for what we need to do. And it's going to behoove me to, because I want this to be underneath all my boards, it behooves me to just float it in place right now before I do anything else. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to take my ESC and I'm going to rotate that capacitor to the inside there and slide that on the nylon bolts. And the camera is going to be around here. Let me get the carbon for that. Just for sizing, we're going to be putting this on soon, the carbon side plates for the camera. And we can see that the camera is going to be sitting about here. About here. So I want to make sure this comes just about to there. Alright, that's good. Very good. Put those away. At this point, I'm just going to bolt this down. Now this ESC has these little rubber gummies on here, and that makes it a little bit of a challenge because the height of the nylon bolt is just barely high enough, so I'm going to have to squish this down. Squish those gummies down. Not going to be a problem. It'll hold it in just fine. I don't know if we're going to get any dampening effect or what good that would do anyway on the ESC, but there it is. Okay, I'm going to just screw these down so the top of the bolt just comes through the top there. Okay. And that a little more. And they're all about fine now. You can see we got some real good squishage right there. And we're ready to move on to the next step. This is Joel LikeCatcher. And by the way, if you like this, please like the video, leave a comment below, hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified of new and upcoming videos. And I will see you in the next video, and we will continue building our 6-inch smooth operator.
Thanks for watching till the end of this video. This video is part of a series on how to build the 6-inch smooth operator quadcopter. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, please consider being one of my Patreon subscribers. I'm Joel LikeCatcher, and I really appreciate your spending your time with me. Remember to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video goes up.